Over here, you can see that I have a website, but I haven't published this yet, meaning people all around the world won't be able to access out the page that I designed. But if you want them to access this, then you need to publish it. So on the top right hand side, you can see publish is an option. So if I were to click on this, what happens is that you get the settings to publish out your website. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube test right here. And it'll generate out the link called sites.google.com/view/TutorTube test right here. And that is where people will be able to view your site. If you have bought a custom domain, then you also have an option to link your custom domain out. So that they will be able to just go around and type in your domain directly, just like this. But over here, I don't have a custom domain that I have bought. So I'm just going to go around and select TutorTube test right here, and this is going to be the web address. So here it says who can view my site. So right now it says anyone. So you can go around and change around the permission over here as well. And you can change around to only people that you want to have certain access to. But I'm not going to work around with this right here. I want to make my site public. And here you can also go around and let public search engines display your website. But if you don't want that to happen, then you can request public search engine not to display the site over here as well. But I'm just going to keep this as it is. Let me just go around and click on publish. And what happens is that it actually publishes my website. So if I were to go around and click on view, then it opens up the sites.google.com/view/TutorTube test/home, as you can see, and you can view my website right here just like this. You also have the edit button right here. That is because you have been signed in right here. And if you were to click on it, you will get onto the edit website area, as you can see. And that is how you can publish out your websites inside inside of Google Sites. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.